In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save your project while editing in Filmora. So if you've just completed or you want to take a break from your editings, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and save your project so that you can resume them later. By saving your project, you'll reduce risks of losing your edits when the power goes off or when your computer shuts off suddenly. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So I have here a project that I've been working on and I'd like to go ahead and save. To save it, it's pretty simple. Just head over up here and you'll see we have this option and you can see it is called Save Project. So if you go ahead and click on it, now that will save the project and you can see it has been saved. Alternatively, you can also use a combination of Control key plus S on your keyboard, the combination of the two keys, Control key plus S, to save your project. And now you don't have to worry should your project suddenly close or should your computer or laptop suddenly go off. So that's how you can save your project on Filmora video editor. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.